Hi, my name is Heather Jones and I'm with Salem Public Library, and I'm going to show you a really great resource for research. It's the Gale Opposing Viewpoints in Context. This is an online resource available through your library that you can access at home, at the library, at school, or from anywhere on a mobile device. Opposing Viewpoints can help you become a research rock star. This database gives you up-to-the-minute information on current events, topics, and people in the news, information from a variety of sources all in one place, which includes newspapers, magazines, academic journals, suggested websites. You can access it from anywhere where you have an internet connection. It makes citations very easy. You can highlight, take notes, save articles, or bookmark links as you go to organize your research. You can translate articles into other languages, and you can easily share and collaborate through Google Drive, email, or social media. Now we're going to take a look at some of these features of Opposing Viewpoints. To get to Gale Opposing Viewpoints, you'll want to go to the library website, which is www.salemlibrary.org. From here, you'll see on the left side menu, Online Resources, so click there. You'll want to go down. There's a couple ways to get to it from here. If you go down to Research and Homework Help, that'll get you the right place. And then here you'll see Opposing Viewpoints about halfway down. So click there. Opposing Viewpoints is a great resource for any class where you're studying current events such as social studies, science, or economics. It's a great tool if you're in a debate club or if you're researching for a debate project because it gives you both sides of the arguments on an issue. The homepage has featured stories here at the top. Below that, you'll see categories. One way you can search Opposing Viewpoints is by category. If you click on View All, you'll see all the topics that fall under a category. Like here, under Business and Economics, you'll see 3 topics here, but by clicking View All, you can search through all of the different topics. This is a great way to choose what you would like to search for. Let's say you do know the topic you want to search for. Let's use fracking as our first example. We're going to type that in. You'll see that it gives you a list of suggestions, and any of them here that are in bold means it's a major topic in this database. So let's click on that. You'll see here on the page, it gives you an overview. If you scroll down, it has featured viewpoints, statistics, images, magazines, articles related to this topic, references. There's also audio. This here is actually an NPR broadcast related to this topic. So it's not limited to just print news. There's also videos as well as academic journals featured here. And this area is where it shows suggested websites related to this topic that will help you with your research. If we go back up to featured viewpoints, you'll see here hydraulic fracking can be done responsibly. And right below it, you'll see hydraulic fracking should be banned. So this is where you can get 2 different perspectives on the same issue. Let's say we want a little more specific search. Without redoing our entire search, we can add terms here under search within the page. So here I'm going to put in earthquakes as my second term I want to search within the topic of fracking. Here we have 6 results displayed. It defaulted to date order. You can change it here to sort it by title, relevance, or content level. Let's do another search. Let's do an advanced search. So we're going to click here. This time we're going to search for Edward Snowden. Put that in here. And we're going to say Edward Snowden is a person's name, and we want articles about him. Then we're going to say, I only want articles relating to Edward Snowden in Russia. So I'm going to make Russia a keyword here. Then I want to narrow it down a little bit more. I only want articles that are written in the New York Times. So let's try that. Hit search. And here we go. We have 81 results relating to Edward Snowden in Russia, written by the New York Times. Let's try this first one. It's really recent, September 16th. We're going to click on this. So let's look at some really cool features of opposing viewpoints. One of my favorite features is the listen feature right here at the top of the article. Click this and it'll read the article to you.
House Intelligence Committee urges Obama not to grant Snowden pardon. Washington lawmaker.
You get the idea. Another awesome tool is the citation tool. If you click on this, it'll give you the citation in the correct format. You have the option of MLA, APA, or Chicago format. You can just copy and paste this right in your document or export it to one of these citation softwares. Or you can save it right to Google Drive or OneDrive. You can also email, download, print, save your article, or share it on social media. So that's a great way to collaborate if you're working in a group. Another great feature is the translate feature here on the right. If you click this, you can translate the text of any article into another language listed here. Let's try Spanish. Just click translate and all the text changes. This is a great way if you're studying Spanish to get more comfortable with it, or if English is your second language, to study in your first language. For more information about opposing viewpoints in context or any of the other online resources available from your library, check out the help topics in the Opposing Viewpoints in Context window here, just to the right. Visit the Ask Here desks at Salem Public Library, or get 24/7 help from a librarian via text, email, or chat at answerland.org. Thank you, and happy searching.